Today on Sugar Spun Run, I'll be showing you how to make homemade vanilla wafers. Hey Sugar Spun Bakers, Sam here, and today I am sharing another carefully tested, well-researched, and perfected recipe for vanilla wafers. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, you got a sneak peek behind the development process for this recipe, and you know it took me a lot of times to get this one just right. I am so excited to share it with you. It's super easy, so let's go ahead and start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large mixing bowl, let's combine a half cup or 1 stick of softened unsalted butter with 2/3 cup of granulated sugar. You'll want to grab an electric mixer and we'll cream these together until they're light and fluffy and well combined. Next, we'll add 1 large egg and 4 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Once this is nicely combined, we can set this aside and we're going to need to prepare our dry ingredients. You need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and just a half teaspoon of salt, and we'll whisk these together until they're nicely combined. You're also going to want to measure out 1 tablespoon of whole milk. Add half of your flour mixture in with your butter and stir that together until it's completely combined. Now add your tablespoon of milk, stir that in, and add the rest of your flour mixture. So I do like to pause here and just scrape the sides and bottom of the bowl and make sure that everything is thoroughly combined. Now vanilla wafers should be kind of small cookies, so I like to use a 2 tablespoon size scoop, and I just make a level scoop and drop this on a parchment paper lined baking sheet. The cookies need a little bit of space between them because you want them to cook evenly, but because they're so small, you can usually fit a lot of cookies on a tray. To make the cookies nice and smooth, I like to take a little bit of water and just gently moisten my fingertips and lightly tamp down on the top of each cookie, just lightly. Now we'll pop these in our 350 degree Fahrenheit oven where they're going to need to bake for about 15 minutes or until the edges are turning a nice golden brown. We'll let these cool completely on the baking sheet, and there you have it, your own perfect homemade vanilla wafers. These are great for enjoying as is without all of the extra additives and preservatives, and they're also great for banana pudding, which I will be sharing a recipe for very shortly. I hope you guys enjoyed today's cookie recipe, and if you try it out, please let me know what you think. I always love hearing from you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. So much better than store-bought.